Okay, what's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. Looking at one of my favorites, Bloktopia. Okay, so we're looking at the BLOK/USDT pair on TradingView. Okay, Bloktopia is available to trade on KuCoin. That is the platform that I know you can get it on. So with that being said, what I've done here is I put the fib retracement levels on here so that way we can find the golden pocket. Okay, so basically this is the golden pocket, and if you notice last time it barely stood in there at all. It just wicked down there on the daily chart and then recovered beautifully. Okay, so right now we're retracing again. All right, we have a very strong support level here at 0.089 on block. Okay, so about close to 9 cents. That is basically our support level, and it's currently acting as support. So we need to stay above 0.08921. Okay, this level right here. All right, now if you're waiting to get it into a position on block, I would wait a little bit. Okay, there is a possibility we could fall further. However, I want to show you guys basically my buy zone, and it's this yellow circle right here, okay? And that is basically going to be between 0.089210 all the way down to 0.026555. All right, so between 0.062555 and 0.068241, though that is our golden pocket. That would be a what most people consider a perfect entry on a long position. Okay, if you can catch a retracement in the golden level, there tends to always be a bounce there. And as you can see here, we did bounce there. So we could draw this a little bit different, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys right now. But basically, remember the key levels that I told you, 0.062555, 0.068241. That's our golden pocket. And then we have a very strong support level at 0.089210 that we need to hold as support. Okay, if we can hold that as support, then we can recover. What I'll do is I'll show you guys basically where I would draw the fib levels at right now. Okay, basically off of its most recent lows. So let's say right here, and then we'll put it off of the highs. Okay, we'll keep it off the highs up here. All right. How do I want to do this? Actually, let's go ahead and change this top one right here. And we'll change this fib level down to the highs. Okay. So now it's a little bit more recent. Okay, we have our old previous swing lows and swing highs. All right, this is our new lows and this is our new high. Now, if you notice, currently we are in the golden pocket. Okay, so it looks really good to recover right here, which is why I was saying that 0.89 level is going to be a key support level. If we can stay, hold and maintain 0.89 as support, then we are going to be looking good, folks. Okay, looking really good for a recovery, which is what I'm hoping for. Okay, and if you notice, that's also in my buy zone, which is why I have it drawn up here. Basically right at those levels in the golden pocket. All right. So anywhere between there, we could dip a little bit more, as I said, and I think that the lowest that will go would be like 0.062 down to, 0.0578. Those levels are going to be pretty strong levels to me. And I think that we will be able to hold support there. But this is a relatively new coin. Okay, let's see, on KuCoin, it was available to start trading on October 6th, and we're approaching December 6th. So the coin has only been around for 2 months. I really like this coin this token as a long-term hold. Okay, I think it has great, excellent long-term position. Possibilities to hold for a year. I think it has 10x, 100x possibilities. I wouldn't be surprised if we see Bloktopia, at close to $1, if not 50 cents within a year or two, even higher. But, realistically, I think that we could get, up to, 50 cents within a year by this time next year, if not more. Okay. And it's currently at about like 9 cents a coin right now. So, just definitely keep this one on your radar. If you want to be technical and you want to trade it, we are potentially in a golden pocket right now. But you know, it's kind of breaking a little bit below that if you look at it currently. Let's go ahead and change this down to the 1 hour chart so you guys have a better look at what, you know, it's doing on a smaller time frame level. All right, so yeah, so as you can see, this is our golden pocket in between here. We're falling below there, okay? We're falling below there. We're falling down into my buy zone. All right. And I think that, you know, the original fib levels that I showed you guys are going to be the main ones that you want to pay attention to. But anywhere from 0.09, from 9 cents down to 6 cents to me is a buy. Okay. That's a good buy zone for some long-term positions. It could dip more if we break support around 0.057 and we fall below there. We can always do that. You have to be prepared. So, you know, if you're not someone who's not good at handling their emotions when it comes to dealing with their money and their investments, if you buy here, I would just try to put it in an account where you're not going to monitor it in case things do fall lower. But if you want to monitor it, okay, just look at this as a buy the dip opportunity. If this thing falls lower and you can get it below 50 cents, or I'm sorry, 5 cents a token, you know, I personally think that it has really, really good long-term potential. And I think that we could see this coin easily at 50 cents a token here within the next year or two, okay? If not more, if not $1 or $2, all right? Now, with that being said, this is not financial advice, okay? I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a legal financial advisor, financial aid. This is just my opinion and my version of technical analysis, and hopefully you guys like this video. If you feel like you like this video, you learned something new, or you gained some good knowledge about where Bloktopia could be bouncing at, there's some good support levels and things like that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. I just started the channel about 2 months ago, and I'm, you know, just trying to figure out what you guys, the audience, wants. And to do that, I need feedback. So I need to know what coins you want me to look at, what stocks you want me to look at. If you like this video, any suggestions or tips to make them better, and what you guys want to see from me in the future. So go ahead, be active in the comments. I try to reply to all my comments, and as long as they're not bots, okay, and stay away from all crypto scammers or anybody asking you for money. A lot of times people are posting comments on my page saying how so-and-so, ever since they started trading with so-and-so, they've been making all these profits. Don't listen to any of those comments, okay? All scams.